Hi, everyone. There is one smart and optimal thing to do if we want to address both climate efforts and growing population demands, and that is the introduction of more alternative sources of protein. Like sunflowers turning to the sun, at ExSeed we turn to sunflowers. Currently, the byproduct of sunflower oil production is hugely underutilized, being mostly sold as animal feed. In the EU alone, for 2022, more than 6 million tons of press cake were produced. This pressured size stream is abundant in amazing protein. Sunflower protein is the champion of the plant-based world. With an essential amino acid profile that comes closest to the structure of the human muscle, it's also functional and non-allergenic. The difficulty lies in extracting it in an isolate form from the press cake, and that has been a challenge to scientists for many years. At ExSeed, we address those challenges, proposing a unique three-layer technology addressing the extraction of sunflower protein isolate. The first two layers are the ones actually delivering the isolate protein. They upgrade the classical mild acidic approach, adding proprietary filtration and a number of other innovations. Thus, we managed to solve familiar issues such as functionality, yield, polyphenols, and organoleptics. The third layer is an optimization one. It takes the residue generated by our technology and applies enzymatic as well as microbial techniques to generate protein-enriched animal feed, making our entire solution waste-free. And as a whole, our technology is clean, efficient, and GMO-free. It's patentable, and we have an IP strategy in place. The main product, sunflower protein isolate, is pure and clean, functional, non-allergenic, comes at a very competitive price. It's suitable for wide applications across plant-based foods. The market for plant-based proteins is set to grow sixfold in the next 10 years to an estimated $430 billion. But this can only happen, it's our claim, if more alternative sources of proteins are introduced. And sunflower has all the potential to reap many rewards in this dynamic environment, being wholesome and affordable at scale. It's our technology at ExSeed which enables the commercialization of its isolate form. This is not working well. We start making money by installing a pilot line by 2025 with a monthly capacity of up to 15 tons and part of whose designs are already in place. When running at full speed, the pilot would be able to be strongly profitable as well as achieve 50% net margin. Then by 2030, we want to be working at industrial level. We're a business-to-business supplier focusing on manufacturers of plant-based seafood and meat, but also snacks and supplements. And in the pipeline of our early adopters, we're already testing with companies from 3 continents. So hopefully very soon you'll be able to glimpse our product as an ingredient in plant-based retail products such as tuna, mincemeat, and protein bars. Now, there are many producers of sunflower concentrate around the world, but in the sphere of technologies for sunflower isolate, we have just one direct competitor, US-based. This makes ExSeed the leading European company in that area, and we intend to strengthen this position. With a market price of around 6,000 euros per ton, and given its quality and characteristics, ExSeed's isolate has fantastic positioning potential. It could assume the currently empty niche for wholesome and yet affordable alternatives to widely used soy and pea, while also delivering great value for money compared to more expensive options. Our team is a star-studded one. As a co-founder, I come with a business background, having previously started and run another clean tech startup. My co-founder in the audience is the scientist of the company with extensive laboratory and alternative protein experience. And also employed is an engineer whose last project was the design of a large pea protein factory in Bulgaria. Our international advisors include Mr. Matt Tom, former commercialization strategist at Impossible, as well as Mr. Lauren Cardinali, the chairman of the board of Umiami. We started last year and already have a lab team and advancing product prototypes. Having started raising money only recently, we've just completed our second accelerator program and delivered a TRL of 6. Before continuing with our large-scale commercialization, we need to do a first scale-up or small pilot next year, which is also the purpose of our ongoing fundraising round. We have managed to secure 1/3 of our pre-seed goal with 350,000 euros to go. This would hugely help us to go from the few hundred grams we currently produce per month to a few hundred kilos. Thus, we would bulletproof our innovation, strengthen our customer pipeline, and introduce more product to potential clients. All we know, this would put us in a better shape for future commercialization and industrialization. I'm Boyan Zakhariev, founder and CEO of ExSeed. Thank you.